Hello, right, just a very quick guide to what's going on here. Here we've got the YM2149F MIDI synth, and we've just got a MIDI out coming from here, out into here. So things we play on here play out of the speakers, and it's got a tiny little sequencer in it, so you can actually play a sequence for that. And then we've got this little drum machine that is sending some timing code to this so that everything plays in time, and we can have some drums as well. So just to give you a sense of what this sounds like a bit, this is not producing any sounds, this box here. This is purely a sequencer and a little keyboard. It does produce, it is a synthesizer, but I've not got any audio cables plugged into it. It's just firing MIDI into this bad boy, and then the drum machine is firing some timing code into that so that the beat stays in time with the sequencer on this, and that's it. So there's no computers involved. So it doesn't sound too bad. So that's just what it could sound like. There was a little bit of delay on there. Sounds pretty awesome. Cheers.